Hello, good morning. Introduce natin si Pipit for our video editing. Pipit is inside CapCut, no? CapCut. Then nasa Marketing Studio po siya. Click Marketing Studio. Ayan, dito ko ginawa kahapon yung tinry ko, no? About my website, yung copy and paste ko yung website ko, then si Pipit na mismo gumawa ng marketing assets or marketing videos natin. So, ito yung nagawa ko kagabi. So, dito yon sa assets. Ito na yon. Yan. So, nag-copy na ako ng website ko. Pinaste ko dito sa Pipit. Then, dami ang videos ginawa. Merong mga ano pa yung AI, like ito, yung kamay ng tao, no? Medyo malaki, hindi siya proportion. AI, ayan o. Yung kamay niya malaki. Hindi pa siya proportion. Yan. Yan. Ito.
Want to know why I swear by Jet 1 Extreme Engine Oil Treatment? Let me spill the tea.
Okay.
Nano
Ayan.
oil metal coating. My engine looks brand new, runs
So,
smooth like butter.
si Pipit na mismo nag-extract ng info sa website ko. Then, siya na mismo nagpapasilita ng AI. And yung mga data is from my website. So, ito yung ginawa ni Pipit when I paste my website. Yan. Yan, meron pang mali-mali, no? Yung kamay niya malaki.
Nano oil metal coating. My
Yan.
engine looks brand new.
So, pwede nyo ma-edit kung anong gusto nyo pang magawa dyan. Or any na magsisync in sa lips ng AI. Yung sasabihin niya, no? So, ito yung ginawa ko kagabi. I just copy and paste my website. Then, si Pipit na mismo gumawa ng videos, nag-extract ng mga media or creative sa website. So, ito yun. Kung gusto nyong i-edit, no? Hindi ko naman edit. Kasama na siya, no? So, Pipit is inside CapCut. So, balik tayo. Pwede nyo pa ma-edit. Ito yun, kagabi yung isa. Try natin. Ayan. Yung iba, hindi ko na-edit, no? Na-transport ko lang kaagad. Na-export ko lang kaagad. Ito, hindi ko to yata na-edit pa. Ayan, try natin. Walang sound. Wala siyang sound. Video no longer available. Why? Bakit hindi available? Try natin yung ito. Baka meron akong na-delete. Wait. Balik tayo. So, try natin gumawa. Copy tayo ng another website. Kaya lang, try ko lang kung pwede niya yung makuhanan yung ko. Yung isang website ko. Check natin. Affordable homes. Affordable home. See? Okay. Try natin to Ito yung website ko. Kung anong magawa ni Pipit. So, copy. Let's copy our website and paste it dito. Okay, paste. Let's generate. Check natin kung ano magawa ni Pipit. Pipit is paid, no? Paid siya. So, I don't know kung sa free makita nyo si Pipit sa marketing studio. Same with yung meron akong ginawa rin na AI. Sa loob din siya ng CapCut. And ito yun. Teka lang. Check natin. Ito ba yun? Yung nagsasalita. Ito yata.
Di maniamot sura ko sa
Ayan.
ko sabad sa imo ay.
Yan. Diba? Yung mga ano, tawag dito.
Ay, ayun
Ayan. So, dyan din. May tumawag. Wait lang ha. I have to, wala na. So, check natin. Ayan. So, ito yung nakuha niya na media from my website. Try natin generate. Yan. This may take up to 60 seconds. 60 seconds lang. Pipit is a video generator. Meron din image studio. Videos are ready. Export to save your favorites. Ayan. So, ilang video. Easily tweak your video with quick edits. Yeah. Edit nyo na lang pag meron pa. Ayan, no? So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10. Let's try, be. Okay, let's try this one.
Deca Homeschool College, where dreams of affordable living come true. Experience serene surroundings blended with modern design. Join the vibrant community today and secure your family's future. Live comfortably without compromise. Deca Homes Bacolod, your gateway to a better life.
Oh, galing. Okay na to.
Welcome to Deca
Oh,
Homes
yan.
Bacolod, where dreams of affordable living come true. Experience serene surroundings blended with modern
Yeah.
design.
Yeah.
Join the vibrant community today and secure your family's future.
Okay.
Live comfortably without compromise.
So,
Deca Homes Bacolod, your gateway to a better life.
export natin to. No watermark, yes. No watermark. Download. Edit na lang natin mamaya. So, next is, check natin yung second video. So, nag-generate siya ng ilang videos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos. In 2 seconds, in 60 seconds, no? 10 videos kaagad. Konting edit na lang.
Discover Deca Homes Bacolod, where affordability meets quality. Each home is crafted for your comfort and convenience, perfect for families seeking a brighter future. Embrace the lifestyle you deserve without breaking the bank.
Ah.
Choose Deca Homes, a place where happiness finds a home.
Okay. Ayan, no? So, may kailangan na tayo i-edit kasi may nakalagay, housing unit, shop now. So, pwede mo yan ma-edit yung shop now. Dapat walang shop now yan. So, let's edit. Pwede rin kayong gusto nyo kung anong yung tawag dito, yung sa caption. Saan ba? Ito rin, pwede rin to. Quick brown fox. No, wag muna. Edit more, ba? Check.
Discover Deca Homes Bacolod, where
Housing
affordability
units,
meets
yeah.
quality. Each home is crafted for your comfort.
Mayroong housing unit, so export, no? Text. Yeah, affordable housing units. Affordable housing units. Okay. Shop now. Hindi yan shop now. Inquire now. Edit natin. Inquire. Now. Yan. Yan. Ulit.
Where happiness finds a home. Discover Decker Homes Bacolod, where affordable
reservation fee housing units.
meets quality. Each home is crafted for your comfort and convenience, perfect for families seeking a brighter future. Embrace the lifestyle you deserve without breaking the bank. Choose Decker Homes, a place where happiness finds.
Change natin to yung housing units into Deca Homes. Yan. Let me try again.
Where happiness finds a home.
Ulit.
Discover Decker Homes Bacolod,
Wait.
where
Affordable reservation fee. Deca Homes. Bacolod. Yan. Okay, so next.
where affordability meets quality. Each home is crafted for your comfort.
Deca Home units pa rin. So, Bacolod. Yan. Copy, paste na lang to. Copy, paste. Oh, wag na lang kaya. Very redundant na. Okay.
Brighter future. Embrace the lifestyle you deserve without breaking the bank. Choose Decker Homes, a place where happiness finds a home.
Media. What's the media? Okay. Ito yung na-pull out niya. Voice. So, pwedeng Carmen at makeup table. Okay. So, pwede kayong mag-change. Sarah in the living room. Try. Let's try.
Let's create something amazing together.
Huh?
Welcome to Pipit. Let's create something amazing together.
Welcome to Pipit. Let's create something amazing together.
Then, avatar. So, pwede kayo mag-choose na. Ayan. Baka pwede yung mukha ko. Try natin. Not using any avatar. No avatar. Update video accordingly. Update. Ay, wag na lang. Script. Maybe. Ito na. Try natin. Okay.
Discover Decker Homes Bacolod, where affordability meets quality. Each home is crafted for your comfort and convenience, perfect for families seeking a brighter future. Embrace the lifestyle you deserve without breaking the bank. Choose Decker Homes, a place where happiness finds a home.
Okay. Okay na yan? Or pwede ba lakihan natin konti?
Discover Decker Homes Bacolod, where affordability meets quality. Each home is crafted for your comfort and convenience, perfect for families seeking a brighter future. Embrace the lifestyle you deserve without breaking the bank. Choose Decker Homes, a place where happiness finds a home.
Okay na yan. But edit more. Ano pa i-edit? Generate. AI character text, auto lyrics, quick elements. This one, color, yung color. Can I change the color? Hindi ma-change yung color. Copy, duplicate. Yeah. Sidebar, taskbar, settings, presets. What is presets? Ah, ito yung sa text. Maybe this one. Ah, pag mayroong ano, kung gusto mo. Yeah. Okay. So, kayo na lang mag-explore. What's this? Loops in animation. Basics. No, this one gusto ko i-change yung color. Okay. Let's try, babe.
Discover Decker Homes Bacolod, where affordability meets quality. Each home is crafted for your comfort and convenience.
Hindi siya sa lahat, no? Presets, basics.
Discover Decker Homes Bacolod, where affordability meets quality. Each home is crafted for your comfort and convenience. Perfect.
Basic. Presets, text. So, text. Presets.
Each home is crafted for your comfort and convenience. Perfect for families seeking.
Okay. So, presets.
A brighter future. Embrace the lifestyle you deserve without breaking the bank. Choose Decker Homes, a place where happiness finds.
Synchronize na lahat ng color natin. So, export. Download. Later na lang. No watermark. Yes, no watermark. Deca Homes. I don't know. 1-1 ah. Download. Someone's calling. Wait. I'm on live. Later. Ayan na. So, check natin yun, ng outcome. Sana ba yun? Maybe downloads. Ayan.
Discover Decker Homes Bacolod, where affordability meets quality. Each home is crafted for your comfort and convenience, perfect for families seeking a brighter future. Embrace the lifestyle you deserve without breaking the bank. Choose Decker Homes, a place where happiness finds a home.
Yeah, okay. Yan. So, that's it. Pipit is inside CapCut. Nasa marketing studio siya. So, bilis no gumawa ng marketing videos through CapCut. Isang click mo lang ng website nyo, paste nyo lang sa Pipit, then yung Pipit will produce 10 marketing videos for you. Okay, so thank you.